Welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to cut out the blazer so we can manipulate the environment without it affecting our subject. The first thing we have to do is go over to the Paths tab, go down here, and create a new path. Name it Silhouette, and then select the pen tool. Let's zoom in on the front driver's side tire and start tracing our subject. I go around my subject twice. The first time I place my points where I think they need to be, and the second time I create the curves in the path if needed. I'm just making my way around our subject. This takes some time, but it's a crucial part of the process, so don't skip it, and make sure you make a good path. Feel free to fast forward through this step if you are already familiar with creating paths. Side note, the shortcut for the pen tool is P, and to move around your subject, you hold the space bar. You should see the hand icon and click and drag in the direction you want to go. As I said earlier, it's a long, boring process, but it has to be done and done correctly, so just knock it out early, and then you can get to the fun stuff. This is starting to sound like the hold music, where the random voice says something like, "Your call is important to us. Please stay on the line, and one of our representatives will assist you shortly." Then it goes back to the music and just repeats until someone finally answers, just to get put back on hold. Anyways, if you would like a callback, please press 1. If not, stay on the line. One day their subject selection tool will be perfect and we won't have to waste time doing this. But until then, the pen tool is the way to ensure you have a good, clean path. To make the curves and the paths, I just place an anchor between 2 points and it will automatically make the curve for me. And I move the point to where it's needed. Sometimes you have to adjust it, but most of the time it comes out perfect. All right, I'm gonna go around and finish this path. Feel free to skip or continue watching, and I will see you in the next video.